Hey loves, today I'm bringing you a quick DIY hair recipe that I use to moisturize my hair while protective styling, so if you're interested, keep watching. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You're going to need fenugreek seeds, which are said to promote growth, prevent dandruff, and impart shine, aloe vera juice, which helps with imparting moisture, assisting with cell turnover, and the list goes on. And you'll need black rice, which will help with increasing hair elasticity, length retention, and strengthening your hair strands. Okay, let's talk about how to prep this moisturizer. I'll put 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds into a mason jar and add 2 cups of boiling hot water, and then we'll set that aside. Then I'll prep my black rice by adding 1/4 a cup of black rice into a bowl and then rinsing it so that it's clean. Then I'll add 2 cups of filtered water to that bowl, and then I'll transfer it to a plastic container. Honestly, I don't know why I put this in the bowl to begin with. I should have just washed it in the container that I was going to store it in. It's an unnecessary step. We'll fix that next time. I'm going to refrigerate the fenugreek tea, and I'll put the black rice water in a dark place so that it can ferment. Now I'm going to strain everything and mix the liquids together. Then add a cup of aloe vera juice to the mix, then transfer everything into a spray bottle or mason jar. I like to use the mason jar first because that way if I have excess left over, I can just store that away. Then you're gonna shake it up and it's ready to use. Let's talk about storage. I store this in the refrigerator and it's good for up to 2 weeks. Please keep it refrigerated because if you leave it out, it will go bad. Finally, let's talk about how I use it. First, I mist this moisturizer on my hair and scalp. Then I press it into my braids and my scalp. Then finally, I apply a scalp oil and give myself a solid massage. And that's a wrap on how I use this hair moisturizer. That's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.